Ooh, I already see how. Ooh, look at that. Nice Halloween decorations. Beautiful. I like the vibe. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? With the Halloween stuff, really nice little touch. I got it for about $100 a night with a annual pass discount after tax. Look at the colors of the hallway. That's cool.
This is the orange that
All right, 7-1103. Hello. Ooh, first impression, bright, beautiful. Oh my God, I love it. There's a lot of room here. Oh my God. This is unbelievable for $100. Oh, and we have a walk-in shower. Oh man, for $100 after tax. Let's see the view. This is standard view. Oh yeah, you can. For a standard view, look at this thing. Water, Aventura. You see a little parking lot on the bottom, but who can, oh, I should see the Wizarding World. Wow. I am pretty blown away by this hotel. Portofino Bay is my favorite Universal hotel. But wow, for the value, floor to ceiling, wow. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Zest. I am speechless. This is so wide, tall, big area, space. Wow. Time to take a shower. Let's check the water pressure here. Looks doable. Yeah, it looks doable. We'll see how it is when I get in there. After a night's sleep, first of all, the shower, water pressure is no good, unfortunately. But the bed was wonderful, the room is wonderful. I would 100% stay here again, especially if I'm on a budget.